So this is my activity 6, integrating Bootstrap in the Laravel. So first is the links that we use in this code, and a JavaScript from Bootstrap, and the navigation bar that we use in other file, and a sample text for our website. And we're going to so this is the route that I make for the home, and this is the link coming from that route welcome from the navbar link. And I'm going to PHP artisan serve cd example dash app. This is our app, and once we get in, PHP artisan serve, and control click. So this is the main slash home, and this is our website. So search, and the disabled button, drop downs with hovers, and click colors, link, and home. And this navbar button goes to this welcome.guide.php website, and click that, goes to the main page.